In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashed or dotted lines in a Power BI line chart or combo chart, walk you through current limitations, and offer some helpful workarounds. Thanks to recent updates from Microsoft, there's now more line-style formatting available, but the range of features you can access often depends on whether you're working with built-in visuals or have opted for a custom visual approach. Let's dive into the process using built-in visuals. First, open your Power BI desktop and load your data. Once your data is prepped and ready, your next step is to create a line chart, or a combo chart if your needs include both lines and bars. After your visual chart is up and running, you'll want to start adding your fields. For the x-axis, this could be date-driven data or another category relevant to your analysis. On the y-axis, place the measures that you intend to plot on the chart. If you're working with multiple data series, remember to add them as separate values or within the legend to keep everything structured and clear. Now that your data is in place, go ahead and click on the visual to highlight it. This will allow you to access the Format pane, represented by a paint roller icon. Within the Format section, seek out the Shapes or Lines area, sometimes labeled slightly differently, such as Series or Data Series, followed by Line Style or Line Shape. This is where the magic starts to happen. Inside the line style options you've uncovered, you'll notice the choice to switch from a solid line to either a dashed or a dotted line. This added flexibility can help you better differentiate between series on your visualization. Additionally, you might spot options for stroke width, which allows you to control how thick or thin you'd like your line to appear. There's also a marker style or marker visibility feature, which lets you highlight data points with dots for an additional layer of clarity. One particularly useful feature you might find is Customize Series. If this setting is available, it permits more nuanced customization. Think one series with a solid line, while another can be dashed. This can be especially handy when you're managing multiple data streams within one chart and need to communicate specific trends or distinctions clearly. Once you've made your adjustments and are satisfied with the initial settings, remember to preview your chart to ensure the overall style meets your expectations. This is your chance to fine-tune the details, like color adjustments and line widths, to ensure everything synchronizes perfectly with your overall design. And there you have it. A well-crafted chart with dashed or dotted lines tailored to your individual needs. Whether you're preparing a presentation or simply delving deeper into your data analysis, using these visual techniques can greatly enhance the clarity and appeal of your charts in Power BI.